Welcome to Marine Connection. My name is Jess. The boat I'm going to show you today is a great walk-around boat. It's a 21-foot Sea Boss with a 150 Johnson on the back. This boat is in great condition. Has a lot of canvas with it, which you'll see a little better in the pictures. Has the full enclosure, nice Bimini top on it. Has the two jump seats in the back. Right now the cushions are in place. Underneath this one is your livewell. Right now I got it filling up. You can see everything's in excellent condition. You got your side bolsters. It's got the 150 Johnson on the back that runs great. We'll show you in a minute on the water. Nice size storage box here. Same thing over here. So you see the boat has a lot of storage on it. It has a nice cabin, a lot of isinglass enclosure for it. When you come aboard, we'll take a look at the cabin. We're at the helm right now. You can see everything's in excellent condition here. You got your AM/FM CD player, VHF radio, your controls, all your gauges and switches are in excellent condition. Easy access to the cabin. You can see that it does have a nice sized cabin on it for if you want to sleep in it or overnight in this. A lot of storage along the sides. The center cushion is removable, so if you want to just go in there to eat dinner or lunch or whatever, it's great. So it does have a very, very nice cabin on this boat. Alright, we're going to go ahead and fire up the Johnson 150 for you. Runs great, starts up nice. Well, I've had a great time showing you this 21-foot walk around. You can see it runs great. It's a beautiful day on the water. A couple things I did forget to mention. It does have trim tabs, and it also has a nice bow cushion. So if you want to get a couple people up on a bow to sit there while you're out cruising. Have a nice day and God bless.